Okay, you guys, let's talk about how you're not lazy, but that you're just kind of rebuilding the wheel every single month. Let's kill this lie really quick, because you are not lazy. You are not unmotivated. You are not bad at marketing. You're just stuck rebuilding the freaking wheel every single month, and it's exhausting. Like, you sit down, you write content, and then suddenly your brain's fried, right? What do I post? What should I do? A reel or a carousel, right? Is this going to be good enough, right? Do I even sound like me? All right. And so by the time that you're done overthinking one post, you have literally nothing left in the tank to actually sell something. So instead, what ends up happening is you end up ghosting your audience. Then you kind of get this like guilty feeling, right? And then you come back with a big burst of energy, wondering why no one's listening, right? It's not you, it's the system, or the fact that you don't actually have one yet, because that's most of the time the issue, right? So here's what no one is telling you guys. Most entrepreneurs are not inconsistent because they're lazy. They're inconsistent because they're overwhelmed. And I get this, you guys. Every single piece of content can feel like it's starting from scratch. And the mental load of that, it starts to add up. So let's say that you're trying to do, 3 to 4 posts a week, right? That's 12 to 16 decisions minimum per month just to stay relevant. Now, multiply that by what platform should I be on? What format does it need to be in? How do I make it not sound like everybody else and be authentic to me? Should I use photos or videos? What do I use? Is there a call to action? No wonder you're tired, because you're not a content creator. You're a business owner. You are the visionary. You are the expert. You are the builder. You should not be spending all of your creative energy trying to invent content wheels that already exist. And so that's why I wanted to tell you guys, I created the Smart Marketing Manager, because the problem isn't that you don't care. The problem is that there's too much on your plate and there's no systems to support that content that actually grows your business, right? And so let me kind of paint the difference for you. So when you don't have a system, you feel like you're behind. You're always kind of reactive to whatever's happening. Your content becomes like this emergency thing that you have to do to make money, right? And then when you shift over and you have the Smart Marketing Manager system, you record once, we turn it into a full month's worth of content. You have 12 hook video scripts. You get story-based content, right? Offer content that sells. We have emails, quotes, graphics, scripts, like I mentioned, and we schedule it all for you. So you kind of go from what do I post to look, it's already being done. You go from being burnt out to actually spending time with your customers, booking them, right? You don't need to hustle harder. There's a repeatable system that actually can work inside of your business and how you operate. And I'm going to say it loud. I'm going to say it a million times. The most successful business owners are not doing everything themselves. They've built systems that let them show up consistently without killing their creativity, right? And the Smart Marketing Manager is that system. We build the content with your customer's language, which is the biggest piece that most people don't get. It's your brand tone, right? We have your real voice, not some, basic AI script that sounds like every other account on the internet. No. And the best part is you don't even have to hand off your whole business or spend $5K a month to get results, which I've seen people trying to do and still failing massively with ads, right? It's $450 a month. That's way cheaper than your time, than your sanity. And so if you're tired of spinning and second guessing and rebuilding the wheel over and over and over again, it's time to build a system that does the heavy lifting for you. And I have to tell you guys right now, Smart Marketing Manager is open. We have a few spots limited that are open right now. And at this rate, once they're gone, they're gone. So stop calling yourself lazy. You are the visionary. You just need the right support. So go head over to smartmarketingmanager.com and let's build the thing the smart way. Ready? Let's go.